Today, we're going to show you how to pair the Garmin Drive app on your Apple iPhone with your Garmin Dash Cam 46, 56, or 66W. This process is the same for these cameras, but today, we will be using a Garmin Dash Cam 66W and an Apple iPhone. To do this, you will need your Garmin Dash Cam, the dual USB power adapter, and your Apple iPhone. Some jurisdictions regulate or prohibit use of this camera. It is your responsibility to know and comply with applicable laws and rights to privacy in jurisdictions where you plan to use this device. First, you will need to plug your Garmin Dash Cam into your vehicle power outlet and have your smartphone within 10 feet. Next, you will need to download the Garmin Drive app. Start by selecting the App Store on your Apple iPhone. Select the search bar and search for Garmin Drive. Next, locate the Garmin Drive app in the list. You may need to scroll down to find it. Select Get. Then, follow the on-screen prompts to begin the download. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Drive app. Touch OK to allow the Garmin Drive app to use Bluetooth. The Garmin Drive app will give you the option to allow notifications. Review and agree to the privacy policy and license agreement before selecting Next. Then select Agree to proceed. Now that we have installed the Garmin Drive app, we are ready to begin the pairing process on your Garmin Dash Cam. Select Garmin Dash Cam series on the Drive app menu. To enter pairing mode, use the buttons on the Dash Cam to select the Garmin Drive app. Touch the down arrow button 4 times. Then touch the bottom button to select the Garmin Drive app. Touch the bottom button again to select Connect Now. The illustration on your Apple iPhone will also demonstrate this process. Select Pair on your Apple iPhone to accept the Bluetooth pairing request. A message about personal data will be displayed. Select Continue. And that's it! You have now successfully paired your Garmin Dash Cam with your Apple iPhone. For more help, visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.